Ahead. So now welcome back to the video where we try to create Slack from scratch. For the previous video, what we do is we make sure say okay, we do the backend. We say the user if you put their name, say okay, their username now admin and their password now password, and we send out to the backend, and the backend the return is odd. So now we need to move forward from this one. We need to now create, so okay, the user don't already log in, we won't give them another page. So how I want to do, first of all, we know say this result they come back here. If I console log this one, so make a console log result here and go to the console, come out and go to the console. I put admin and I put say okay password and I submit, and I go console here. I go see okay, these things they come back from the backend, and this one they come back with all the results, but we need this data. So what I need to do now is I need to destruct this one, collect the data, and so make I just console log this one, try them again, make sure say which we need now, which we they get. Admin. So just put something here and send them. Okay, so we get this one. So what I want to do now is say I want now redirect the user, like show the user another component like welcome. So now what we will achieve by the end of this video. Okay, say okay, the user don't log in, so we can move forward. So we'll go to the like welcome page where the user go fit, send message. So to do that one, say this our login component they here, and not child of the main component where they here. So now this one, first make I change this one to class-based component. I just say class app which extends React component. I just extract that React component for here. So we'll just get class base first. Extend React component. So we get this one. Then this one now, based on saying in a class base, we need the render method here. We go return that till we're here. So I'll just copy all these ones. I'll copy them, I'll put them here. Now we don't define everything, don't define, so our app don't go back to normal. So we're gonna come back here. So we'll just create state. And we'll say okay, it's out. So as the thing start now first, so the user now first, and username, we need username. We'll just make them empty string. So now within this class base could do now be say handle auth when the user don't already log in, handle auth, and within will happen now, we'll just make this one arrow function, and we'll just pass them this. We'll pass them whatever, say okay payload, or we'll take set the state when the user don't already log in. So what we will do now, we'll say this dot set state, and we'll pass on the object, and we say okay it's auth. With the expect say this payload go get is auth, right? So we need to destruct them. Say okay it's auth, come here and equals to payload. Then we'll just say make we set the state with this one, and we could set this one with the username. So we don't set down with the username. Within the talk say username is not defined, because we never destruct them for here. So I just need to put them from this payload. Then within our can do for here now, so we will pass that function as a prompt. We'll just say on auth. Then we'll go put this on auth. Then we'll put this dot handle auth. We go there here, and the arrow function, so it could fit maintain the scope. So now if we go back to this our index, this our login page, when the user don't already log in, what we just need to do for this function here now to call that props. So the props could be this dot props dot on auth, and we go invoke them and go pass on this data. The data go get is auth and the username. So we could see. So when you don't set the state, what we just need to do for here, we could go here, we could go this main, come on this one, I just console log waiting be this dot state. So we could see when the user log in, and we could see what we do. So we could check. Already now empty because the user never did log in. So this is coming from the app, and if you see the index the line number now 20. So make I try to log in. This one go make request to our backend, and it go return is auth, which is true. You see? So this one now is coming is true. So we don't know for the main app now say okay, it's what is true. So if you do anything we would like for here, so mukwi now say okay, if it's odd, it's true from the state. We'll first carry and come out, then get username. We'll get username also from the state. So before we do this return, we'll talk say if the user is odd, so we could just return welcome. We'll just make them like a placeholder. We could return welcome. So we'll go return, say okay, welcome, and we'll go put the guy name within the name, the username, if his auth is true, because we know say okay, you could get username. All right, so make I even put this one inside, like, you know, some kind of header, just to make them very obvious. So I need to use h1 and just passing this one in there. So but if it is false, make it return this one. We go down like that. So we do the talk for here, we say okay, this state we know say now false. So if it is false, just return say make the user login. But if it is true, anytime it is true, just welcome the user and put the username. So we could see that one. Admin test. You see, straight welcome admin. So anything we will put for there, now it will be yes. So may I go back. So may I put fella again? Oh my guy, admin, send down. You see, say welcome fella. So now we don't defeat redirect the user. So you see how the thing they go now. We don't defeat the redirect the user. But of course, if you refresh, we will lose all the data we will get, because this one go day false, and now the user need to log in again. That one another day we'll go fix that one and say okay, but could they passes the state, so that when you reload the page, all the data will still stay intact. But right now we don't make progress. So we get admin and we don't get say we fit write admin and we fit just redirect the user today. So this welcome page now here now we would start to put the chat stuff where the user go fit there, and we need to create the workspace, which is all this one with here on the workspace and all these channels. So we will need more components like namespaces. We will just list all the namespace, and when the user click on one namespace, that namespace go return all the rooms within inside that namespace. So now that one will be handle for the next video ahead later.